Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will talk about the best email marketing application I have found recently. Through this email marketing application, you can send your email campaigns, you can create forms on your website, and it has a lot of more great features than your ordinary email marketing application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the first thing I will tell you is the name of this website is podia.com. Like you can see that this is the website and your website, email marketing and products all under one roof. So this is a complete email marketing application. Like you can see that email marketing, email templates, email designer, email forms, email analytics, newsletters, automations and segmentation. Whole things of email marketing are here in this podia.com. You can sell your online courses or you can sell your products through their website. So this is a good email marketing application and all under one roof. Like email marketing, you sell products and you can create your website. So if we look at the pricing, if we compare the pricing to MailChimp, you can get, I think it is less than MailChimp. Like you can see that if we look at the MailChimp pricing, I have $10,000 contacts, then you can see that the minimum is $67 or $55 per month. So if we look at the Podia pricing, I have to, okay, here, let me tell you that if you have less than 100 subscribers, then you can use it for free. If we up to 10,000, like you can see that $50 per month. So I can use this podia.com for less amount that I'm paying for MailChimp or any other email marketing application. So pricing is good. If you want to check it out, you can just click on this sign up for free. You can use this podia.com for free if you have less than 100 subscribers. So click on the sign up for free and fill the form. Now after signing up, you'll come to this dashboard. Now what I will do is if I click on this email, like you can see that I can create a new broadcast or I can create a email campaign. So I will click on this campaigns. Okay, so here's the option of importing subscribers. You can just import your existing subscribers. So I can click on the start importing and click on this new import, prepare import. So this is very easy to use. You don't have to have a lot of technical knowledge, technical skills to send your bulk emails, to send your email campaigns, or to build a website, or to sell your product on Podia. It is very easy, very convenient to use. So I can just upload CSV file to import my email audience. Like you can see that column name, email, first name, last name, and text. So I can click on this next step and I will choose the file from my desktop. Okay. So like you can see that these are the emails on my email list. So next step and next step. Okay, there's no error. So import data. Done. 3 rows were imported successfully. So I'll click on this close. Okay, done. Now if I click on this campaigns again. Okay, now as you can see that I can just start campaign from here. So I will click on the start campaign to send my email campaign to my email list. There's a good tutorial on this. See how you can create an email campaigns. You can how you can automate your emails to reach your audience and all those things. This is the name. Okay, so untitled campaign and from my email. Okay, and so now you can create your newsletter email from here, new email. So like you can see that it's very easy to use. There are email templates you can use to create your email. You can just design from here. Like you can see that background colors and fonts and buttons and dividers, all the things are here. You need to create your emails. You can just save your template, the one you have just created, for use in future, or you can use one of the already created email templates. Like if I want to use this template, okay, I will click on this apply. So just like you can see that this is a nice email template, so I can just change the things here, I can edit things here, I can just change the pictures, and I can just change the videos, and I can send this email to my email list. So this is very easy, very convenient to use. You can just start sending your emails using Podia.com. The pricing is good and the features are good. This is the email marketing application you need to use. Try new things. The principle is try and experience new things for your business. So you can use this website, Podia.com. I will drop the link in description below. So you can just click on the sign up button and you can use this for your email marketing campaigns, for email automation, for email segmentation, and a lot other features. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.